Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can lower the iPhone half screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Touch. Next, we go down and tap on reachability. So tap on the reachability toggle button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach. So here, all you have to do is just from the bottom here, swipe down, and that will lower the top of your iPhone down to half the screen. And that's it. If you leave it idle for a few seconds, it will bring it back to the top, at which point you will need to bring it back down. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.